Hi everyone, if you want to start a YouTube channel or you want to make videos for TikTok or Instagram or other social medias and you don't have a fancy camera or light and a great budget, don't worry about it. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make great videos without breaking the bank. First, your smartphone is more powerful than you think. Most smartphones today can shoot 1080p or 4K, and that's more than enough for social media. When you use your smartphone to shoot a video, just remember that the camera in the front has much better quality than the back camera. So if you use your back camera, your footage quality is gonna drop. So for a better quality footage, you need to use the front camera. And that raises one problem, especially when you're vlog. And when you're holding your smartphone like this, you cannot see your composition and you cannot see if you're in focus or not. And there is one solution for that. And there are some mirrors that are gonna sit on the cold shoe of your phone holder. You can check the composition and the focus on your smartphone. There are a couple of brands that are making those mirrors, and they start from something like $26, $27 on Amazon. Here I have this mini tripod, and I can attach my smartphone to it, and you can see that it's like a handle and I can shoot smoothly with it. And the good thing about this tripod is Yongtang VCT 992 is that has an extendable arm, and this is good when you are vlogging or when you want to read something or you want to film something close to the floor. Also, this Yongtang tripod, mini tripod and phone holder has a remote. It works with Bluetooth, and you can remotely turn on and off your smartphone. There are some phone holders like this small rig, and you can just attach it to the holder. Some of the holders have a cold shoe, and you can attach a microphone or a light to enhance the quality of your image and the quality of your audio. For lighting, use natural light. If you're shooting outside, you can use the sunlight. And if you're shooting inside and you're in a room or a place with windows, get your subject close to the window and use the soft light. In case there is no window and you're shooting in a dark environment, you can use these small lights. and they can sit on the phone holder. And they are more than sufficient for shooting indoor. Now let's get to one of the most important part of your video. When you are making a video, your image, your shots are 50% of the video, and the other 50% is audio. Most of your viewers can ignore the low quality of your footage, but if the quality of your audio is not good, they're not gonna watch your videos. I promise you that. And for the audio, do not use the built-in mic of your smartphone. The quality is not good. And if you keep it close, maybe the quality is better, but if you keep it in a distance, then you're gonna get the ambient and you're gonna get the echo, and it's gonna be a low quality audio. So what is the solution? The answer is what you might already have, and that is your smartphone wire earbuds microphone. And I assure you that the quality of the audio recorded with that earbud microphone is much better than your built-in microphone of your smartphone. If in the future you want to upgrade from that smartphone wired earbuds, then you have choices like this Rode Mini mic. It's about $60–70 on Amazon. This mic is gonna sit on the cold shoe of your phone holder, and when you attach your phone, and to connect this microphone to your smartphone, you need an adapter. I'm using iPhone 15, and it's a USB port, and this port, it's not gonna accept the 3.5 jack. So I need this adapter, and I attach it to the smartphone. This is a Rode Shotgun mic, and the quality is great, and it's not comparable with your smartphone wire earbud microphone or your smartphone built-in microphone. If you don't like to use these shotgun mics on your smartphone, you can use wireless microphones, and the quality is so amazing. The high quality wireless microphones are expensive, but you can find something with a decent audio, decent recording, with a very low budget, something maybe like 30, 35 bucks, 40 bucks. And when you use these mics, you can be free to move around without any kind of a cable hanging from your rig, and the quality is awesome. And the final chapter of this video is going to be about editing softwares. There are few free editing softwares on the market that you can use. You can use iMovie from Apple. You can use CapCut. If you want a more sophisticated editing software, you can use the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm posting a new video every week on Monday or Tuesday, and by subscribing you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. If you have any question about videography or photography, just leave it in the comments. I'd be more than happy to answer them, and it's going to be my pleasure indeed. So as always, take good care of yourself, keep shooting. I'll see you soon. Cheers.